Week 6, Lesson A. In this lesson, we're going to calculate and articulate the usefulness of the average rate of change in relation to context. That sounds pretty technical, but we're going to take a look at some fun videos today and decide what's changing in the video and what things we can measure. Our goal is to describe how independent and dependent quantities, variables change in relation to each other. I'm going to do a warm up on rate of change with you where we notice some things. Then I'm going to show you some interesting, fun videos I think you're going to like, and I'm going to include our new vocabulary in those videos for some vocabulary practice. And then we will do a reflection. An announcement, lesson B this time will be a test. I'm going to go ahead and review in an Edpuzzle video all the things you need to know for the test and put the questions for the test right in the review. So it's kind of a study guide at the same time. It goes over things. If you start to get into the test and you feel like you are confused or you aren't sure about the answers, you can always reach out to me. We can set up a Google Meet or set up a time to talk, and I can help you with everything. But I think it's going to be really easy. You want to make sure you do your test. I don't want to take class time for that so that I can see you and talk with you on the day I get to meet with you. So make sure outside of school you're working on that for me. Your warm-up. A farmer has 2 bird feeders. During a 5-day period, they record the number of birds visiting the bird feeder. Bird feeder 1 is on the left. Bird feeder 2 is on the right. Which bird feeder has a greater or the same rate of change in the number of birds visiting it per day? Why is this happening?
Bungee jumping, and this is how they test the rubber ropes. These elasticated bungee ropes are the only thing between you and certain death, so they're tested daily. Bungee jumping was inspired by the people of Vanuatu in the South Sea Islands, who, in a centuries-old ritual, use vines to jump with death-defying precision from wooden platforms. If you jump here, though, you'll be pleased to know that these ropes are military shock cord, the same cord that's used in missile launch tests. Inside, the cord is made from 380 strands of Malaysian rubber with a cotton outer core and a polyester cover. The crew will check each rope manually every single day, and the ropes are decommissioned after around 1,000 bounces. Once the cord is all hooked up, it's time for a test bounce. The test uses ordinary gym weights tied in a bag, 135 kilograms of them, exceeding the heaviest jumper's weight for extra safety. They go up to the jumping height of 55 meters. The rope can stretch up to 3.3 times its length, so even at full stretch, you would bounce 7 meters above the ground. A bungee jumper wouldn't stretch it to the max though, so the clearance would be even bigger. The weights show that everything is in order. And now for the final test, with a human subject.
Here we go.
Some jumpers won't jump until they've seen the pros do it first. Bungee expert George has done over 200 jumps, but even he still gets the willies.
Three, 2, 1, bungee.
As the rope kicks in, George is travelling at over 70 kilometres per hour.
Yeah! Yeah! That was my own fault.
Baby.